Hey guys, I'm currently in Elnido in Philippines, staying in this hotel called Swifltes. Here's what it looks like. Let's go outside first. Staying in the fourth floor, there is no lift, so you have to climb up the stairs. FYI, the right of the each steps quite high, I would say. Just to let you know. Here's my outside view of my room. In room 12, I get a view from the balcony of the cliff mountain, and here's what it looks like from outside. The entrance of the hotel is just beside here, and then I've not explored the area yet. Arrived here from Port Button via van. It took around 4 hours journey, and they'll stop you 5 minutes alongside here, here via Tuktuk. Okay. And there is a hotel beside here called, if you are interested. Anyway, let's go to my room. But this place provide a clothes rack in case after your beach activity you need to try anything. And then you also have a table and chair if you want to sit outside. Here's the room. Okay, it's an air-conditioned room. You get one TV, one bed. I got 4 pillows, and you have a balcony view which you can open the window. Okay, one bedside table, 2 bedside lamp, and then you have a long cupboard. Your basic things, hair dryer, safety, another hanger, and then they provide towel, but you cannot bring the towel to the beach. Then what do they give? This is shampoo and conditioner, and you get the amenity kits. Okay, beside here will be the long mirror for you. Is a closed cupboard, and then you get this washroom toilet. There's a bathtub. Then basic things, your bidet, toilet bowl, bathtub. This will be your water heater and shower, and that's it about the room. Quite big for 1 to 2 person stay. Okay. Good morning. This will be the last day of the El Nido view, giving you my thoughts of the place that I've stayed at. I've stayed here for 4 nights, and I will tell you how I feel about Rome. The location is very nice, walkable. Anyway, if you stay around here, to go to one place to another is very walkable. You can go to elnido town up here and just walk inside. There will be lots of shops, laundry shops, souvenir shops are along the way in front of the hotel too. A lot of eatery shop, a lot of tour shop for you to join a tour organization. Elnido Beach, you just need to walk up to the end or be around maybe 50 to 20 minutes along the way, or if you stop along the way. A lot of tricycle nearby if you would like to go to any other place. Otherwise, budget bad point is if you are a light sleeper, the sound of the vehicles from the road can be heard even at night. As you can see at the moment, there's not a lot of vehicles. Later after hours, maybe around 4, 5 till night, there will be a lot of vehicles where people are going back to where they are staying. Just a heads up about that. In the day, sometimes there will be a renovation ongoing, but it's not too loud. They're building another level up in the hotel at the site. Anyway, let's go to the room inside. Okay, so here is the place that I've slept for at least 4 days. Aircon works well. Bed nice to sleep. The major disappointing is the water pressure from the toilet. It's very low pressure. Just a heads up, especially if you need to take a good shower after a whole day of water activity and you are filled with sand. Gosh, the pressure really hits me bad. Otherwise, the rest are okay. No other issue. The TV I did not use, so I have no comment about that. If you're intending to watch any show, breakfast will be served outside. You will need to pre-order your breakfast 1 day ahead with the timing that you choose, and they will bring it up to you. Otherwise, that's all.